Deer stopping here at Dr. Lake Florida. Gonna do a quick after clean video of this Tritoon. Left a little spot over here to see how the algae is on the surface line growing into the paint. I'm gonna scrape that right off afterwards, but it does not come off easily. I got her all cleaned up. I have pretty much zero visibility down here at a low tide. But she cleaned up good. I'm going to run down a couple sides of the surface lines on both sides. I hadn't tried to take a video, but there's nothing to see down there. I'm being about 2 feet of water right now. But she's still cleaned up good. One more little lap. Same thing here. Some of that stuff is really not wanting to come out. Paint looks decent though. I'll scrape off that little corner. Should be all looking good. DS Doc, thank you very much.